So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully all the hair is in the frame. Back up a little bit so y'all can see all the hair and the length. So Alipearl Hair sent me over their natural wave 200% density HD lace frontal wig unit, you guys. And if I didn't say, it is in 26 inches. So before I just go ahead and start, I need to find my remote so that I can put this on mute. There we go. Okay, so this is in 26 inches, 200% density. I did pluck it a little. I want my wig to last, so I didn't pluck it that much, but I did try to pluck it. It was already like plucked really nice, you guys, but I am in love with this hair texture. I think that is really beautiful. If you guys do not know, I wash my wigs. I bleach the knots on my wigs. This one for sure. I also wash them and let them air dry outside. So this is the natural curl pattern of the hair. Now I did go ahead and pluck the hairline, and when I went to pluck the hairline, I had to mess up the curls at the top, so I just went and took some moves, and that's why the hair looks a little bit more defined or so, because that's what I did. So if you guys are confused on previous videos on why the hair looks a little different, it's because I define my hair always using this brush right here. Got this from my local beauty supply store, and I let it sit outside on my balcony, and that is how my curls come out so bomb. So highly recommend you guys do that. I tell you guys this all the time with your wavier wigs, curlier wigs. That's what you need to do. So yeah. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and get started. And first, I'm about to hot comb my hairline back. Which I should have did this off camera, but it's cool. This is a really nice, like, I love the pattern on it. And I need another clip, but I don't know where my clips are. Like, girl. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. I need to get more clips. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Again, this is about to be really quick. So, I'm about to go ahead and cut out my ear tabs. So go ahead and cut. This is HD lace. I like to make sure that what I'm sent is what they're supposed to be sending me. This is HD lace because you can tell by the rips and how it's like frayed. That's how you know that this is real HD lace. So I'm about to go ahead and glue. I love these HD lace because they always look good. Like, they always look good. So what I'm about to do is cut off a little bit of my lace. And now I'm about to go ahead and glue. Now I have it where I want it. I just went exactly where I want it. So glue, y'all know the glue that I use. It's the Ghost One Supreme. I am going to be trying out new glues for you guys, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Girl, when? Time for this. Trying to film. Also, with this install, I am not going to be wearing this for a long time, so I'm not about to put a lot of glue down, just enough to hold it for like 2 days. And I'm not trying to rip off my skin, so I don't need that much, trust me. Jesus. So I think that this is a wig that definitely needs some baby hairs. Okay. Weird. So that's what I'm about to do.
Not through with you. I'm not asking for your time. I'm just craving for you. I know I'm running through your head. I think you wanna share a moment too, a moment too.
Okay, so I wanted to sit up so I can go ahead and like style my hair for you guys. So I've already done the baby hairs. They're drying, so they might still move a little bit. But for the most part, this is what it's gonna look like. This needs to be plucked. Okay, yeah. So I'm okay with this. I think that looks really good. And yeah, so I'm about to take these clips out. Hopefully you guys can see me in the rain. And I'm about to style my hair. So I think I want a middle part. My last video, did I do a middle part or a side part? And in the middle part. This hair is so cute though, like, or I can do it on the side. I can do a side part. Okay, let's do the side. I'm gonna take some mousse, super mousse, Tresemme, and tame the hair. Again, this is a natural wave, you guys. So this is for my girls who like don't want to deal with curly hair, to be honest. Like, if you don't want to deal with curly hair, get this texture. It's really pretty as well. Like, it's not like a trash wave. I actually think that this wave is really, really pretty. It's really pretty. This smells really good too. To spray some of my coconut oil on it. Because I use that mousse, you know, this can actually make the hair a little hard, so I'm just gonna use this because y'all know that this makes my hair like soft. Check out my recent videos because I'm telling the truth. Also, you just want to make sure that you keep your curly hair moisture anyway. It's just with all curly hair. I'm gonna let this like dry a little bit because I feel like it's still a little wet, so that you guys can see like the full potential of the hair, and I'll be back.
For your time.